Oh my god, we came to day 8 and today we will be discovering session times in trading. It is very easy topic. Today we will a little bit relax before we go in more hardcore topics, but don't be scared. I have a promise to you. You will become pro trader after 3 weeks. So let's see the sessions in trading, day 8. So we have 3 sessions in one trading day. The first one is Asia session, starts at 8 p.m. Eastern time and finish at midnight every time. And the Asia sessions begins the trading day. So it is the first session in the trading day. Most of the time Asia sessions are kind of boring. It is slower than the other sessions, but they have one mission, which is they set the low and the high, which we're gonna use them in the later session. So Asia is playing a very important role. You don't have to trade Asia, but you need to follow up and check the Asia session high, lows, what is the middle, what is the equilibrium point. If you feel lost, don't. You will learn all these names. So ideal for spotting setups for London and New York, which we have already covered this, right? So let's move on to next session. London. High volatility, right? There can be major moves like 100 points, maybe like 2%, 1%. You never know. It has full of surprise in the London session, and you can always target Asia when you're trading London. What I mean by that, you can target Asia high, low, all that stuff. Easy, right? You see, everything is like a puzzle in the market. If you are patient and wait everything to come up together, you will understand everything. First Asia starts, then the London comes. What is the third one? Yes, you correct. New York. The most liquid and highest volatile session in the whole trading day. It always opens at 9:30 and closes at 4. And the London session opens at 2 a.m. and closes at 5 a.m. All the times we're gonna mention in the whole bootcamp on the whole trading videos will be UTC -4 or Eastern Standard Time. You can choose New York when you see the time zone settings. We will be only trading for New York time zone. So New York session starts at 9:30. As we mentioned, it is the most liquid and the highest volatile session, and it has also one more feature. Most of the economic news, which is a red folder news we called, happens at the New York session. Most of the time before the market opened, but sometimes, rarely, it can happen after the market opened, like FOMC 2 p.m. So quick sum up. First, London session opens the market, good morning to world. Then we say hi to London, hi mate, and we go to New York, yes dude, and New York opens. Take a morning coffee and 9:30, boom, explosive moves. The highest volatile time is 9:30. You can see 1% move on 9:30 candle, which is a first minute of the New York session. I told you it was gonna be easy. And now we are closing the day 8, and I'm so excited to see you on the day 9.